Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. My Weber is firing up right now. Got a half a chimney that is getting ashed over, and tonight we're going to have a quick but fantastic meal. Today we're making grilled outside skirt steak with an incredible Cajun Bourbon Peppercorn sauce. So let's get going. First of all, I got my outside skirt steak right here, nice and beautiful. We're going to season that up. Easy day. A little bit of salt and pepper. Then we're going to use some of Spiceology's Gaucho Steakhouse rub. Get that all pressed in, get it flipped over. Same to the other side. And we will set that aside until we're ready to take that out to the grill. Now let's head over to the stove and get to making that sauce. We will fire up a saucepan on medium heat and chuck in a couple tablespoons of butter. My butter is melted. It is time to add 1 diced shallot. Now I'm going to say a lot of ingredients, but I'm not going to say a lot of amounts. As always, dear friends, all the ingredients, amounts, directions are down below in the description section. And if they can't fit, then there will at least be a link to our website where you can find the full recipe. We would not do you wrong.
Hell no.
Okay, we're going to let those shallots cook for, I don't know, 3 to 4 minutes. Once you're happy with your shallots, in goes your garlic, which will make you happier.
Garlic? Yep.
Some cracked black peppercorns, or Spiceology has extra coarse black pepper. That'll work. Smoked paprika, and some Cajun seasoning. We're using Spiceology's Thunderdust. We'll give that a good stir and let this go for about 30 minutes. 30 seconds. 30 minutes is crazy.
You don't say.
Oh, wow. The aromas. Now we add the bourbon. Just grab your favorite bourbon off your bourbon shelf and use that.
Whiskey.
After we add that, we're going to stir and make sure we get any bits off the bottom. Oh, wow. Aroma heaven. Garlic and bourbon. Now we're going to add our beef broth and let this reduce for about 3 to 4 minutes. We don't have all the constituents in and the aroma is freaking crazy. I'm glad I'm doing baked potatoes with a steak tonight because this is going on my potatoes too. Oh, wow. I think earlier I said Thunderdust, Thunderball, Thunder Chicken, Thunderdust. It's Thunderdust. Now we're going to hit that with a good pinch of salt, some W sauce, some Dijon mustard. To keep with the Cajun theme, we're going with Zatarain's Creole mustard, and our heavy cream. We're going to stir that for a while until it thickens up for us. And I'm going to take that heat down to medium-low because I got to run out and put the charcoal chimney into our basket out there. Get that Weber ready for them steaks. All right, charcoal is in the Weber. All the vents are open, the lid's closed. It's preheating for 10 minutes before we go out there and get the steak cooked. So for the sauce, I'm going to let it simmer until I bring those steaks in. Then we'll do the final steps on that. So let's head out to the grill. The grill's been preheating for 10 minutes. Let's get them steaks on. I've got all of my coals right over here. We're going to cook right over those. 3 minutes per side. Nice thin steak, easy day. Easier if you have your grill put together. Even easier if you do it properly. And we'll leave the lid open. This is a quick cook, no worries. Right over that fire. Looking good. Okay, I'm going to get those finished up, and then we're going to get them loosely tinted with foil, let them rest for about 10 minutes, finish up the sauce, and then it's going to be time for judgment. We'll see you then. Steak is inside on its 10-minute rest. We'll finish up the sauce now. So we're still simmering here. We're going to add about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of lemon juice. Damn lemon barely fits my squeezer. And then because you must have vegetables, parsley. Got to have some green. We'll get that mixed in. We'll keep this warm and serve it over our steak. So next time you see us, we will be getting some judgment. See you then. Steak is rested, sauce is done. Speaking of saucy, it's the director.
Very good flavor. I like that.
All right, do you get the bourbon? Mm-hmm. Do you get the Cajun?
I do, yeah.
Do you get the peppercorns? Mm-hmm. All right, the trifecta. We've made the director happy. All of our prime ingredients have shined through. We did it. All right. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. Until we see you next time, fair winds and fall receipts.